Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today there's no art content, but it's still fun. I took a day trip to Edinburgh and I filmed a lot of things to do there, vintage stores, some really nice shops that have a lot of art and design stuff. Overall it was a really enjoyable day and I had a lot of fun, so I hope you enjoy it as well. Something that I really like is this. I love Bukowski since a really long time ago, and this is a kind of a zine on him which had some really interesting stuff, and it comes with a CD of some of his other audiobooks, I think, and it was really nice. I finished it on the train. This was really fun, and I got a hair clip and a really cute t-shirt. I'll show you I'll show you guys later, from a really cute shop in Edinburgh. So it was really fun day, and I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, because the one was